There are dozens
Baby
of them who
boy.
come to take the fish. The fishermen try to keep them behind a rope.
Paborito ko. Ako yung gum. Kasi yung alam guys, nanalo mo kami. Kasi napaniwala ko si Red kasi hindi ko maripot yung body ni Pink. Ayun. Sana kulit, please. Yan nga, o si Sayon. O si Yellow yan, si Yellow.
Lintik naman tayo ito pag nakain. Pukpukin kita dyan.
Electrical.
Sapa.
Ang bilis! Ba't ang bilis? Ba't ang bilis? O pink daw? Pink? Pink ba? Pink ba? Wait, ikaw. Self-report! Self-report na quit. Yellow. Apple ka yellow ah. Ikay ko nga to. Ano pangalan niya? Si Yami. Wala! Yun! Si yellow nga sabi. Ay, hindi. Ulitin natin. Nag-lip si Pink eh. You want to be this? Oh, terrible. Look at me, guys. Subscribe. Subscribe.
The Liemba is an old boat that sails on Lake Tanganyika. The Liemba takes 3 days to reach Kasanga, provided all goes to plan.
Subscribe Scarlett Albarico. Nasa record.
Tanzania gives the impression of
Nasa
a lost
record kayo,
paradise
guys.
whilst always
Ito si
helping.
Zaminawaka. O, sanay mo na ako. Anong gagawin natin dito? Ano ha? Ano? Ibaban mo ba ako
The
dito?
travel conditions are extreme and invariably provoke conflict.
Naku, hirap. Tagal, maghihintay pa yata kami mga 10 minutes. Kinik ako! Ginagawa ko! Kinik ako!
It's no wonder tensions run high.
Si Robin wala. Robin Hood. Wow! Buti pa talaga. Ano kaya? Yan na lang tayo, Cherry Blossom.
Tanzania is a
Pangalan.
magical country where witchcraft
Scarlet.
still plays an important role in village
Scarlet.
life.
Albarico. Start. Start. Puro nila sinasabi start. Wala na ba kayo maibang sabihin?
Sometimes murderous.
Yak.
Vectosort shock.
Ew, pink. Ew. Hindi. Ginagawa ko na.
Vectosort, rich in taste and healthy too. Now that's Choco Amazing. Now in 200 ml.
Scarlet. Oh. Subscribe Scarlett Albarico. Nasa record kayo.
The city of Kigoma. It's the home port of the Honourable Liemba and the only port to connect the shuttle
Naku.
to the most remote of villages.
Diba? Tagal. Biniblame block. Stop. Block. Wala akong makita. Ano to?
There are problems for the
Block
sailors
lang.
right
Wala
from
akong
the
makita.
word go.
Ay, naku.
They have to deal with a lot
Left.
of freeloaders.
Pasukin si Playboy. Mahilig ka maglaro, Playboy ah.
Resolve conflict. 28 years of navigation have taught him to keep his cool.
Oh, ito. Naunahan. Dito rin tayo. Ay, maglaro. Lalaki ka. Ano ba ba? Ikaw sundalo ka, diba? Ay, Kuya Kim. Si Kuya Kim ba to? Kuya Kim, ano panahon ngayon?
Passengers occupying the third-class seats must have a strong stomach. They're lodged in the hold just above the engine, with no windows and the added benefit of the smell of oil.
No.
But the price of the
Ang tagal niya. 30 minutes na ako dito naghihintay. Tagal niya. Yun, dumami. Bilisan niyo. Yun. Hanggang 30 hours kami dito nag-ano. What? Ginagawa. Bilisan niyo. Bilis. Ano, saan nagpabilis? Si Ed Caligno? Team, ano, same color. Same, are you twin? Same color. Okay, nabi na namin. Start na! Same color yung dalawa. Wala may message ba? What? What? Ginagawa nila.
Captain Benjamin tries to predict the unpredictable. The mechanism was renovated thoroughly 20 years ago, but the diesel engine still brings him out in a cold sweat. It's always worrying him. The captain estimates that the journey will take 3 days, but he knows that it all depends on the temperament of this collection of scrap metal.
Aboy. Uy, imposter! Uy, imposter ako! Oh my God, started na ako. Okay, navigation. Savage love. Give somebody, sell your soul.
Meanwhile, Mohan, the taxi driver, hurries to get the sick man to hospital as quickly as possible. Of course, that doesn't stop him from picking up more passengers.
Navigation. Navigation. Red.
By setting his prices so low,
Si Red.
Mohan is never able to make a lot, but
Si Red
each
saw
new
him.
passenger allows him to
What?
add a litre or two. His old
What?
Korean pickup is gas guzzling at the best
Sino
of
ba
times,
talaga?
but at this time of year it's even
Oo
greener.
nga.
There's always the risk.
Oo nga.
Pull one on Mohan.
Si Red. Si Purple. Sabi niya si Red. Si Red. Sabi niya si Purple. Si Red muna. Pag hindi, si Purple. Ang talino. Si Uppercut. Pag di si Red, si Purple. Oo nga. Red first. Oo nga. Uy, sino katulog na yun? Wala, umiyak si Bichi Macho. Ano ba talaga?
In the back, Zachariah, the sick
Bye,
passenger,
Red.
has been jolted
Sorry,
around
Red.
for more than 5 hours. He endures his ordeal in silence.
Siyang-saya ko, guys.
Zachariah does not want to choose between the witch doctor and the hospital. He passes from one to the other. In Tanzania, witchcraft is alive and kicking. Spiritual healers are much cheaper
Kaya
than
nga.
doctors, many of whom are situated
Kaya
more
nga.
than a 5-hour drive away.
Do, mumura pa talaga to si ano.
The witch doctors live in the villages. This
Kawawa
one has
eh.
some very surprising methods for curing the pains
Oh,
this man complains of.
Opo, hindi pa natanggal si Red. Kailangan, ala, isa na lang yata patayin ko dito eh. Okay na eh. Are you kidding me? Nangyari?
The man is apparently fallen victim to a terrible fate.
May cheater! Cheater! Lala! May cheater!
Now that the evil is left by the wound, the witch doctor prepares a protective potion for the patient.
I didn't do anything. Ano ba to? No! Bye-bye. 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 Na PLDT yata. Yung Among Us. Na-PRDT yata yung Among Us.
All that's left to do is check whether the remedies work.
Ooh, yeah! Let's start it ulit. Aray! Sakit nun.
Doctors claim complete savages when it comes to any
Mood!
Sana
Sana may...
business success.
Wow, I hate you guys. I hate you.
Gold diggers. Yet,
Hindi mo lang. Joke mo yun.
Sa akin pa, okay.
Bilis ang lag!
Kakuya, kuya, nababansa sa
Putik ang lag si Pink yan.
These albinos are the victims of a murderous superstition. Witch doctors assign supernatural powers to albinos. When it comes to
Angelo,
casting
hindi mo ano.
spells and crafting talismans, the witch doctor claims are powers in the body. This professor gathers the albinos in his refuge, but the wisdom is not too late.
Lag! Pala kayo ganun ako tapusin yung oxygen. Ano ba yan? Wow. Saan? Saan? Saan nga? Saan? Bye-bye guys. Sana all. Doon reactor. So ano? So. Sino
One
impostor?
hound sells for around 450 pounds.
Devil yata
For
to.
the body of an albino,
I vote you Devil. Devil ka daw eh.
60,000 pounds. The huge poverty that reigns in Tanzania is partly responsible for this massacre.
Na ako. Naku, magiging AFK yata ako dito. Slow sa atin. Inako! Demon, demon. Demon ka! Alam ko yun eh. Alam ko yan eh. Isa. Bagal, putek.
Ano lang pala paso.
Okay, alam ko na, si Devil yan. Wait, tapusin ko muna task ko.
Alam ko si
Na,
ano
ay,
yun.
mag-ano muna kaya.
Alam ko si White yun.
Hindi, wag ka makulit.
Sino yung postor?
Wait lang, may alam ako kung technique dito. Alam ko na gagawin ko, mag-CCTV muna tayo. Wait lang, tapusin ko muna task ko.
Rain is often eagerly awaited in this country. With
Alam ko yung ano. Alam ko
Si Devil.
Alam ko si ano yun, apoy.
Zachariah, the
Wait a minute, si Devil yan, si Devil yan. Hello, ba't na? Devil, 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 Devil. Devil. Ano ba?
especially
Mukhang